Venue was the headquarters of Business-France, where a Memorandum of Understanding was signed between Pakistan's Board of Investment BoI and Business-France. His Excellency Moin-ul-Haque, Ambassador of Pakistan to Paris, while facilitating BoI and Business-France, highlighted the MoU's significance and said that would further boost terms between the two countries. Director General Monsieur Christophe Lecourtier, terming the MoU as historic, assured that Business-France would endeavor to persuade French investors to invest in Pakistan while facilitating their counterparts in France. Ambassador Moin-ul-Haque signed the MoU on behalf of BoI, while Director General Christophe Lecourtier inked the document for Business-France.